Awesome question. Let's break it down very simply so you can teach your students how to create a resume step by step. A resume is a short document, 1 to 2 pages, where you tell about who you are, what you studied, what skills you have, what work you did, if any, and what job you want. Now, let's look at the basic parts of a resume: name and contact, career objective, education, skills, experience, optional, achievements, optional, and hobbies, optional. Step 1. Write your basic details like full name, phone number, email ID, and address, optional. Step 2. Write a short career objective. For example, I want to work in the marketing field where I can use my communication skills and learn new things. Step 3. Add your education in this order: course name, school/college name, year of passing, percentage/grade, optional. Step 4. Write your skills. Pick 3 to 5 strong skills you have, such as MS Word, public speaking, and teamwork. Step 5. If you have work experience, mention it here. Otherwise, write fresher or no experience yet. Step 6. Add any achievements like awards or certificates you've received. Step 7. Mention your hobbies. Keep it to 2 to 3 interests, like photography, chess, or traveling. Remember these tips: keep it one page if you are a fresher, use simple fonts, avoid spelling mistakes, and save it as a PDF. Here's a simple resume format for students: name, phone number, career objective, education, skills, experience, achievements, hobbies. Activity for class: tell students to make their resume today and collect them tomorrow for feedback. Would you like a ready-to-print sample resume? Just say yes, and I'll prepare it.